Windfall, wonderful, honest, we run, we win. This is your friend James, and this, of course, is the Panasonic inverter. Panasonic is, of course, a Japanese company. Unless microwave technology has changed. I don't see anything in here more about not putting in metal. But either it's changed, or this is not, or this right here. The thing is this right here is not metal. I mean, like literally. I'll put it on 10 seconds. That fork ain't metal. Because I remember, I mean, either A, it's changed, or the fork ain't metal. I don't know. It says it's stainless china, but I don't know. This is what it says on the back. I mean, it says we got it from Sam's Club, Daily Chef, China. So I don't know what this is, y'all. Live will be.